Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by adding the profile service module to server script service so profiles live server side. Next, create a player added handler that immediately requests a profile for the joining player using their user ID. This is the first actionable step. Define a clear default schema for fields like inventory, currency, and settings so missing values are safe. Once done, make sure the profile is bound to the player object for easy access and to detect when to release it. Once you have initialization in place, load the player profile with load profile async using user ID and the same scope key you chose. You should apply changes with update or modify methods that minimize race conditions. This is important when multiple scripts touch the same profile. Store the profile reference on the player for runtime access. Make sure to save incremental changes rather than only on leave, and listen for player removing to call release async so the service can persist and free memory. To finish, ensure every disconnect path calls release async and that you save critical fields immediately when they change, not solely at exit. If load profile async fails, create a fallback default profile and log the failure so players can continue playing. For robust recovery, add retry logic with backoff for transient errors and visually notify the player if their data could not be saved. If something goes wrong, check logs, confirm scope keys match, and retry loading with exponential backoff.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.